For the past 10 years, those who have suffered from certain occupation-related diseases face difficulty being recognized as victims of industrial accidents under labor law. But now the Ministry of Labor has decided to shorten the process to make it easier for sick semiconductor workers to be recognized and made eligible for compensation.
A pair of special glasses to help her focus, and a person to help her walk. Without them, she finds it hard to even take a step on her own. This is Han Hye-gyeong, a brain tumor patient who has serious vision, mobility, and speech impediments.
한 사람의 팔자를 이렇게 바꿔놓을 수 있어요?
She worked at Samsung Electronics' LCD department from 1995 to 2001. Her job was to solder using solder paste and a thermal processor on the semiconductor circuit boards. She was diagnosed with brain tumor in 2005, 4 years after she left the company. She applied for an industrial accident compensation. But the factory she had worked in was gone, and Samsung did not provide any information on chemical substances they used on the grounds of corporate confidentiality. The Korea Workers' Compensation and Welfare Service and the court did not recognize her case as an industrial accident due to lack of proof.
역학조사도 제대로 할 수 있는 조건도 아니었었고 또한 회경의 진료 기록을 제대로 건강검진 받은 진료 기록을 한 번도 볼 수도 없었고 이런 데에서 패소당했다라는 게 저는 굉장히 억울했었어요.
So the Ministry of Labor's new proposals are a godsend for victims like her. That's because epidemiological surveys can now be skipped for 8 diseases, including leukemia and brain tumor, which have been recognized by the court as industrial accidents. Previously, it took over 6 months just to conduct an epidemiological investigation. Also, if the company does not respond to information request or investigation, the government will apply the principle of res ipsa loquitur and side with industrial accident victims. The Labor Ministry projects that the new plans would benefit about 10 semiconductor workers with occupational illnesses every year, and the approval process would be shortened from the existing 400 days to as few as 170 days.